Hello sir, welcome to this video. In this video, I discuss with you about your urban and streetwear clothing website. So, first of all, you need an e-commerce website on Shopify platform, and I can give you professional quality website. Here you can see some product of categories, and here is the website slider. And I put your content here. Also, in this section, you can write something about your online store. Also, the website has a lot of feature. So I think this website is perfect for your products. And this website is full SEO optimized and fast loading, including 100% responsive, and it will support it on any device. So you don't have to spend time on SEO and optimization separately. So now let's take a look at how a customer and user will purchase a product on this website. So first of all, I'm going our shop. Here you can see some of your product are showing. So I click on a product of my choice and I will buy it. Okay, so this is your Lexus Champion t-shirt. You can see your size S, M, L, XL and XSL, the big size. And this is our new website layout. And here you can write the name of your product and a short description about the product. Also, here is the price of this product and how many stock it has. You can also give additional information about this product. You can also buy a little card directly and share it online. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Google account. Also, here is the review option. So if you purchase a product on this website, you can review your purchase website product. And below there are some related production just like the product. You can scroll here. So let's finish our product. So I'm clicking the buy it now button to purchase this product. So you can see now we are purchase this product and here is the contact information. So I give a demo information, email and some demo information. And now save this information for next time. So if I purchase a product, I don't give the separate information. So now continue to shipping. So lastly, we have come to the payment option. And if you buy this product with the credit card number here, but right now I am not buying this product because this is just demo. So I think you like my website because it matches your all product very well. So please make me the winner on your contest so that I can develop you this website. Also, if you want to about my information, qualification and skills, so you can search on Google search bar for BD Web Foundation and you get all of my information, qualification and all project here. Thank you.